alas 3 nagtukaw-tukar na. I didn't expect that na I'll got nang nisabak yun ang demonyo. Hindi ko man makuha yung ganun. So okay lang. Tapos pasado. Yun lang. Up until now, kinikilig ako every time I saw my girl. Time check. It's already 10:19 p.m. Alright. Ayun, I forgot to cover here na pod. Wala jud ko'y time to cover this one kay nagbantay jud ko sa ako ang tinda and nahurutan na akong tinda, so yes, thank God. And I have a lot of things to share with you guys today. A very good news, good news to me. The first thing that I would like to share with you guys kay nakasakan was nako sa Misa de Gallo. Okay, 4th day but ma second day. Kay wala ko ka-attend atong first and second day cause ni ano gyud ang demonyo sa kuha. Kanang ni sabak gyud ang demonyo. Pero karon wa jud ko nagpadala sa demonyo. Unta makalungtad ta. And I also received good news that I got a high score in final exam in one of my subjects. Tama ba akong grammar? Isa sa mga subject, may pagbisaya o no? Less pa mistake. Pero sa Bisaya ba yun, maka-mistake, padra ba ka? Yeah, there are times in the Bisaya na ma-mistake pagka labi na og kanang good times na maglisod jud ko explain ba in Bisaya. So I really prefer English. Di jud ko how to English. I'm just trying to Okay, asan ako? Anyways, yun. Funny thing lang, cause I didn't expect that na I'll got a high score in our final exam in one of my subjects. Kasi nung pre-final namin, ako talaga yung pinakababa. So expected ko talaga na yung grade ko during that pre-final exam. Pre-final moments, days, was very babat good. Cause I got a low score in exam and I feel so hopeless at that time kay basig mo ang maging reason na I'll not gonna get the goal that I wanted. And yun, bumawi ako sa final. I never expected na ako yung magkakaroon ng high score, and ayun, buti na lang talaga humabol ako. Our professor in that subject told us that we can message him if we want to know our first semester grades. So I don't know what comes in my mind that I did message him right after. I read his message late kay walahin ako naka-open sa akong messenger. Kung ba siya by kay ngano, I don't wanna compete anybody else. Kay ang main goal gina ko right now of my college life is to compete with myself. If I'm not gonna get a good grade in this sem, then I'll make sure that I'll compete myself. I'll make sure that gonna get a better grade in the next semester. To make the story short, ayun, nag-message na si sir, may sinend siya. Tapos natagalan pa kasi sobrang hina talaga na internet ko. The moment na nakita na ko ang grade, kay I was surprised. So I didn't expect na not that too high, but for me, just average grade for an average student, because I identify myself as an average student. Yan. And I'm so grateful that I did what I needed to do. Yan. Nakukuha ko ng grade na goal ko. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, hindi ko man makuha yung ganung grade. At least okay lang. At least pasado. Yun na naman yung goal natin eh. Ako okay, pasado ako. I just wanna aim higher than that. No? Kasi yung grade ko kasi not gonna identify me, but it would, prove that I work hard, kasi ilang nights din akong puyat and hindi madali yung college life. So to be honest, hindi talaga madali yung college life. Huwag na yung mga instances na di ka makatulog, wala ni tulogay. Kung makatulog man, short period lang, di ba? And that's how college life is, Ayun, worth it naman. Worth it din naman yung puyat ko. And ayun, I did best this sem. I don't know sa other subject ko kung ilan yung grade ko. Hopefully makagain ako ng average na worth my puyat. And ayun, kinakabahan pa din ako men kasi I really don't know, and at the same time grateful kung ano man magiging grade ko, and sabayan niyo ako malaman yun kasi ayun, heaven knows I did my best. Super, kung alam niyo lang talaga yun guys, sobrang happy ko, super grateful. Hopefully I can do more. I can have a better grade pa in the next two sem kasi tri-sem tayo. It's already 10:32 p.m. na po, so we have to sleep kay I don't know if maka-church ko later or tomorrow, but I hope so. Let's make it. And yeah, even though it's difficult for me to fall asleep and difficult for me to wake up, but I have to gising myself yun. And I am grateful that nandiri si mama. Tapad lang mi og kwarto so she can just gising me. She can just tok my knock my ear sa pultahan. And grabe yun si mama men. As 4 pa lang ang among simba sa buntag. Alas 3 nagtukaw-tukar na jud si mama. And grabe kanang pero kanina nakakuha dyan migbangko bay, nakalingkod mi kay katong gahapon, like sakit jud akong bagtak bay, sig tinindog bay. And 1.5 hours nagtinindugay, like dili lang katong first time sa akong life nagtinindugay ko, pero sakit kayo sa bagtak man, pag uli bay sakit kayo sa bagtak, swear. And so ang pinaka moral lesson here is to really wake up early. I'm thankful for my mama for always been there for me. And ayun, aside sa kato, kauban po na akong family, sila ate, si Eli, and of course, the partner in life. So, ayun lang po. Up until now, kinikilig ako every time I saw my girl. At tapos sa church pa kami nag-date. O di ba, ang galing. Kayo din huwag kayo sa kung ano-ano mag-date. Sa church kayo mag-date para lakas kayo kay Papa God. Alright, bye guys. Love you.
Mahal kita